Did you know? On one tiny island in Greece, 1 out of every 3 people lives past 90. No other place in Europe can say that. This is Ikaria, the island where people forget to die. They don't buy magic pills. They don't spend big money on fancy treatments. Instead, they follow simple daily habits. Habits you can copy at home, starting today. If you're over 60, 70, or even 80, listen closely. This island's quiet secret could help you stay strong, protect your heart, and feel calm each day. Ikaria's elders wake up when the sun says so. They drink calming herbal tea. They eat fresh veggies, olive oil, goat's milk, and local honey. They walk up and down hills daily, even at age 90. They nap after lunch, not because they're lazy, but because they're wise. One man, now 95, laughs when asked his secret. We rest, we sip tea, we talk. Why rush to the grave? Today, you'll discover 3 simple daily habits that Ikarians follow. Habits that help 1 in 3 people live healthily beyond 90, and many remain sharp and active up to 100 or even 105 years old. The best part, you don't need to fly to Greece to do the same. You can start in your own kitchen, living room, or garden, wherever you are in America. Before we dive in, do this now. Comment your age below. Share your favorite tea, green, mint, or sage. And hit subscribe if you want more real tips for aging strong. So, find your favorite chair. Get ready to learn how Ikaria's people live past 90, one simple habit at a time. Let's start with their famous herbal tea. It keeps the heart calm and the mind clear. 1. Ikaria's herbal tea. Science in a simple cup. Did you know? On Ikaria, almost everyone drinks herbal tea twice a day, morning and night. This simple habit protects the heart and helps the mind rest. But what makes their tea special? It's not store-bought tea bags. They pick fresh herbs right from their garden or the nearby hills. When they have fresh sage, rosemary, or wild mint, they brew it fresh. Fresh leaves hold more essential oils, which carry natural health compounds. When they can't pick fresh, they dry the herbs and store them for the colder months. Either way, the tea brings the same calm power. Let's break down the science. First, sage. Sage is packed with antioxidants. These are natural chemicals that protect your body's cells from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress happens when unstable molecules, called free radicals, damage healthy cells. Over time, this damage speeds up aging and raises the risk of heart disease. Sage's antioxidants fight this process gently, every sip. Next, rosemary. Rosemary contains rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid. These help lower mild inflammation and support smooth blood flow. Good blood circulation keeps your heart strong and blood pressure steady. One review in the Journal of Hypertension shows rosemary tea may help control mild high blood pressure. Wild mint is another Ikarian favorite. Mint contains menthol, an oil that relaxes the stomach muscles. It supports better digestion and calms the mind before sleep. Some research links mint tea to improved sleep quality and fewer restless nights. Marjoram, another herb they use, is rich in flavonoids, plant compounds that help lower inflammation in blood vessels, which supports heart health. One beautiful scene on Ikaria repeats every morning. A grandmother, nearly 100, steps outside, cuts fresh sage and mint, and brews her tea. She sits on her porch, watches the sun rise, and drinks slowly. No hurry, no stress. You can enjoy the same benefits in America. Step 1. Buy fresh herbs if possible. Sage, rosemary, or mint. If not, dried herbs work fine. Step 2. Use 1 teaspoon per cup. For fresh leaves, use a small handful. Step 3. Boil water. Pour it over the herbs and cover. Let it sit 5 to 7 minutes. Step 4. Add lemon or a little honey if you wish. Step 5. Sip slowly. Turn off the TV. Relax. Practical tip. Try swapping your second cup of coffee for this herbal tea. Many older adults feel calmer and sleep better after a few weeks. Mini FAQ. Can I drink this tea if I take blood pressure medicine? Usually yes. But always check with your doctor or pharmacist. Sage and rosemary may lower blood pressure slightly. Key reminder. Ikaria's tea is not a cure-all. But its antioxidants, flavonoids, and natural oils work gently to protect your heart, blood vessels, and sleep. So tomorrow morning, or tonight after dinner, brew a cup. Taste a piece of Ikaria's wisdom. But tea is only the first secret. Next, you'll see why Ikarians nap every afternoon, and how this habit saves the heart too. Keep watching. The second habit is free and simple. 2. The nap. 20 minutes, big heart benefits. Did you know? A short nap after lunch can help protect your heart. On Ikaria, this daily nap is called siesta. It's not laziness, it's smart healthcare. Let's break down why it works. When you nap for about 20 to 30 minutes, your body resets, your heart rate drops, your blood pressure lowers gently, and your cortisol level, that's your main stress hormone, falls to a safer range. High cortisol over time can damage blood vessels and raise the risk of hypertension and other cardiovascular diseases. This is why many heart doctors recommend stress management for older adults. On Ikaria, people naturally control stress with this short nap. It helps the heart rest, the mind calm down, and the body digest lunch better. One long-term study in the Archives of Internal Medicine found this. People who nap 20 to 30 minutes, at least 3 times a week, have a 37% lower risk of dying from heart disease. That's not a small number. That's life-changing. Ikarians live this habit daily. After a light lunch of vegetables and olive oil, they sit and chat. Then they lie down in a quiet room, often with windows open to the breeze. No phone, no noise, just peace. When they wake, they feel clear-headed, without needing an extra cup of coffee. You can do this too. Step 1. Eat a light lunch. Avoid heavy, greasy foods. Step 2. Find a quiet, dim room. Step 3. Lie down. Set a timer for 20-30 minutes. Step 4. Use a sleep mask or soft music if needed. Important. Keep it short. If you nap too long, over 45 minutes, you may feel groggy, and it can disturb your night sleep. Practical tip. Even if you can't sleep, simply lying still with eyes closed lowers your heart rate and blood pressure naturally. Mini FAQ. What if I have trouble falling asleep during the day? That's fine. Just rest quietly. Slow breathing alone helps drop stress hormones and gives your heart a break. Medical note. If you snore loudly or suspect sleep apnea, check with your doctor first. Some sleep conditions may need special care. Why does this matter for seniors in America? Because heart disease is still the #1 cause of death for adults over 65. A simple nap is free and gentle protection. Tomorrow, after lunch, try it. Eat light, rest your eyes, and feel your heartbeat slow down safely. But napping is not the only secret. Ikarians protect their health another way too. They never feel alone. Next, let's see how staying connected keeps their minds sharp and hearts young. Keep watching. The third habit may surprise you. 3. Community. Together, stronger and happier. Did you know? Feeling lonely is as dangerous for your heart as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. This is not just an idea. It's proven science. On Ikaria, elders almost never feel alone. Even at 90 or 100, they live near family, chat with neighbors daily, and laugh with old friends. This strong social connection is a big reason why 1 in 3 Ikarians lives past 90. Why does this matter so much? Because loneliness raises your body's cortisol level, the main stress hormone. High cortisol, day after day, causes chronic inflammation, low-level swelling inside your body. Chronic inflammation damages blood vessels and raises the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and memory decline. Harvard University research shows older adults with strong social ties live longer and stay mentally sharp. Icarians don't need big social media accounts or busy parties. They build trust slowly, over tea, home-cooked meals, and gentle talks at sunset. One village story. A 96-year-old man says he never eats alone. Each day, a neighbor or relative joins him for lunch or evening tea. They swap stories, share worries, and laugh about old times. This warm circle protects the heart better than any pill. How can seniors in America build an Ikaria circle? You don't have to move to Greece. Step 1. Call a family member or friend once a week. One honest conversation lifts the heart. Step 2. Join a local senior club, hobby group, or gentle walking group. Many libraries, churches, and community centers offer free meetups. Step 3. Host a simple tea or lunch at home once a month. Nothing fancy. Just hot tea, a snack, and friendly company. Practical note: if you feel shy, start with small steps. A smile at your neighbor. A short hello at the mailbox. Connection grows one word at a time. Mini FAQ. What if I live far from family or in a rural area? Try free online community groups for seniors. Some local libraries have phone buddy programs for older adults living alone. Staying connected keeps your heart young and your mind active. Research shows seniors with strong social bonds have a 30% lower risk of heart disease and depression. So tonight, pick up the phone. Call someone you trust. Tell them about Ikaria. Laugh together. Your heart will thank you tomorrow. Ikaria teaches us this. We age slower when we age together. Next, let's see how to put all three secrets, tea, nap, and community, into one easy daily plan. Stay with me. The routine guide is coming up next. Routine guide. Bring Ikaria home, one day at a time. So how can you put all three Ikaria secrets into your day, right here in America? It's simpler than you think. Let's build a gentle day plan, step by step. Morning. Start your day calm. Before coffee, brew a cup of herbal tea, sage, rosemary, or mint. Sit in your favorite chair. Sip slowly. Watch the light outside. This protects your heart from the first stress of the day. Midday. Eat a light, fresh lunch. Add more vegetables, olive oil, or a little fish if you like. After lunch, find a quiet spot. Lie down or recline for a short nap. Set a timer for 20 to 30 minutes. No TV. No phone. Just rest. Afternoon. When you wake, take a short walk or do gentle stretching. Call a friend or neighbor. Check on someone you care about. One smile, one warm chat. These build your Ikaria circle. Evening. After dinner, make another cup of herbal tea. Turn off the news early. Share a small story with family or a friend. Then, sleep with a calm heart. Repeat these steps daily. One cup, one nap, one warm connection. They cost nothing, but can protect your heart for years. Safety reminder. Gentle care, every step. These habits are safe for most people. But here's what to keep in mind. Herbal tea is mild. Still, ask your doctor if you take medication for blood pressure or sleep. Some herbs can make blood pressure drop a little more. Keep naps short. Long naps, over 45 minutes, may make night sleep harder. Stick to 20-30 minutes for best heart health. If you feel lonely, reach out slowly. No need to join big groups right away. One phone call, one neighbor wave, one library visit. Each step helps, and never skip regular checkups. These habits support your heart. They do not replace medical advice or treatment. Stay kind to your body. Rest gently. Connect slowly. This is the Ikaria way. Recap. Small habits. Long life. Let's look back. Today you learned 3 powerful daily secrets from Ikaria. Herbal tea rich in antioxidants and calming oils. A short nap to lower blood pressure and stress hormones. Daily connection to lower inflammation and protect the heart. Together, they help 1 in 3 Icarians live past 90. Some even reach 100 or 105, healthy and clear-minded. You don't have to move to Ikaria. Your kitchen, your living room, and your phone are enough. Start today. So, comment your age below. Tell me which habit you'll try first. Tea, nap, or a warm call to a friend. And hit subscribe for more honest secrets to stay strong and calm at any age. Remember this: living long is not just about counting years. It's about filling each day with small, calm moments. One cup, one nap, one laugh. Thank you for spending these minutes with me. Stay healthy, stay gentle, stay connected. See you in the next video.